Hello students, so we are just solving the maths numericals for flotation. Two maths I have practiced, I have discussed in the previous lecture. Here the another two from your 5C exercise. Okay, Selina Publisher chapter 5. Okay, so just question number 3. Okay, let's start it. You can see a wooden cube of height 10 centimeter has mass 700 gram. What part of it remains above the water surface while vertically floating on the water surface? Okay, let's cut it. Okay, so what portion above the surface? So same relation we will apply here, students. All maths are same. That's why I have explained that relations properly, that if you remember the relations which has derived from the flotation topic, all the numericals you can easily solve. Students, what you have to do here, wooden cube has given. So as it is a cube, so volume of cube will be side into side into side. Centimeter cube means 10 into 10 into 10. First we get the volume 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. Now mass of the cube has given 700 gram, means density of the cube we have got mass by volume 700 by 1000 means 0.7 gram per centimeter cube. Got it? So volume of the cube we have got, mass of the cube, density of the cube, and density water surface means density of the water also we have got. So read the math again and again, and this value we have got. So now students, we can find what portion is immersed. First, student, we calculate what portion immersed according to the relation. Then we can calculate what portion floating if we subtract from the entire volume. So let's do it, then you can understand. You can see that there is the relation. So according to the relation, student, volume immerse solid parts, immerse solid or solid cube. Here it is cube, that's why I have written that volume of the immerse cube and volume of the whole cube is equal to density of the cube by density of water. So students, volume of immersed part is equal to, that is immersed part is equal to density of the cube. Value here it has given 0.7 density of the cube, we have divided and you get the value 0.7, all in gram per centimeter cube in CGS. Okay, all are in CGS, so just watch it, so no problem. That's why I have taken water here 1. Previous math I have taken 1000 because 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, so you can see 0.7 and density of water is 1 into that. See, if immerse portion we are calculating, this will go right side, means here divide means here multiply, so multiply volume of whole is 1000. Okay, 1000 we have put here. I hope you can understand all the value. Then immerse part is 700 centimeter cube, that is the immerse part. So what will be above the surface? Above the surface or floating. Okay, floating part will be whole part minus this 700, means submerged part. Whole part is 1000 minus 700 centimeter cube means 300 centimeter cube. 300 centimeter cube will be the answer. Okay, that is the portion which is above the surface. Whole volume is 1000, we have calculated first. So in between this, according to the relation, we can see only 700 centimeter cube submerged inside the water. Okay, if this is the water, this much portion 700 inside the water, so that is the above 300 and total 1000. I think you can understand. Let's move to the another one maths I will solve, students. All the maths are very easy, and if you feel any problem, you can drop a comment here. Okay, I'll prepare another video, dedicated video for the another maths. Okay, let's move to the next math. Question number 4 and 5 you can easily calculate. Okay, so here it is the math. A piece of wood of uniform cross section and height 15 centimeter, okay, of uniform cross section and height, uniform cross section E, I think it has given, and height 15 cm, floats vertically with its height 10 centimeter, okay, in water, 10 centimeter in water and 12 centimeter in spirit. So what is the density of wood and spirit? So students, let's start. Suppose this is the wood, piece of wood, okay, and uniform cross section A, and height is 15 centimeter. This has given. So students, height into cross section means area. Uniform cross section A means area A. Let's it is A. Uniform cross section, we have taken it as A, okay, so it is 15. So volume will be, we have calculated it, volume of the wood will be height into area, uniform cross section A, okay, and now we get the volume, whole body. Now this body floats vertically with its height 10 centimeter in water. Suppose it is water and it is spirit. This body is floating, suppose water level this much, 10 centimeter in means inside the water, and here it is much more deeper, means 12 centimeter inside, it is spirit, and it is water, okay. So water, you know, here centimeter has given, means we will take the value in CGS. So density of W here, it will be, in case of water it will be 1 gram per centimeter cube. So first student, by taking water we can calculate the density of wood. How? First we just take go with the relation. The relation we know, volume of the immersed part, body means here W means wood, volume of whole wood is equal to volume of whole wood, here it is, okay, volume of wood is equal to density of body means density of wood by density of water. First we take as water, not the second part, spirit. By taking water first, we calculate the density of wood, then we will go to the, okay. So two types, same relation we use two times, or we can calculate here volume of the immersed part, here it is 10 centimeter here given, okay. So here it will be 10. So 10 is the height, and uniform cross section if A, then volume will be, student, 10A, 10 into A, okay. So 10A by volume whole is 15A is equal to row of wood is we will calculate this thing, and density is water is 1, or density of wood is equal to, you know that 10 by 15 is equal to 2 by 3. If you cut 2 3 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, means 0.67, okay. That is the density of wood, gram per centimeter cube. Now come again the same relation we use, okay, that volume immersed wood in, that will be in spirit, by the volume whole of wood is equal to density of wood by density of spirit. As we get the density of wood here, so we can now easily calculate the density of spirit. So volume, again volume inside the immersed, in case of spirit you can see 12 cross section A, okay. So 12A by 15A, that's why we have taken A, okay. Uniform cross section means same, what the value you will take and it will cut out, okay. A by A, okay. So is equal to density of wood is 0.67 by 0.67, or you can write 2 by 3 for easily to cut it. That's of spirit, or density of spirit. Directly I have solved, student. If density of spirit we will write, it will be, okay, means you reverse this side, means 15a by 12a, then multiply with 0.67. okay, a will cut, and if you solve it, the value will come 0.83 gram per centimeter cube. That will be the density of spirit, and here density of wood. So you just write the statement by yourself that density of wood is 0.67 gram per centimeter cube and density of spirit is. Students, one another thing I just want to say you about this math, you can use the height also. You can see, you can take height in place of volume, then there no need of A. As it has told uniform cross section, height has given, you can do the maths by using the height also. Only height immerse, height hole. Okay, then no need to take count A. Okay, so one just I am saying, you just complete it as way. You can write it height of the immerse, IMM immerse, or height of hole W is equal to density of wood by density of water. Same thing, density of density, that right side to as usual. So height of immerse part, here it is 10 by height of total 15 is equal to density of wood is, we have to calculate is wood by density of water will be 1. So you will calculate, no A term will come. Easily you can apply that height. That's why I have explained this relation and as well as height relation. By using height relation, you can avoid that A. Some students will think that if they will not consider A, so they may forget that how we will calculate the volume as the area is not given. Uniform cross section has told, so area is not given. How we can find the volume? Okay, I told it is A, so you go with height, no problem. You know this relation. Similarly, you apply the relation here also. Here you can write height of immerse part. Okay, I am just explaining. Height of immerse part by height of hole, same thing will come. Is equal to density of wood by density of wood. Here already you have calculated 0.67 by density of spirit. Height of immerse portion in spirit 12. So only 12 by 15 whole height. So if you take that height formula here, it will be much more proper than the volume. If you take the volume, you have to consider a cross section area, and some student will think that if we consider a cross section area A, how the area will cut out? Maybe confusion will come. Okay, but it will cut out, no problem. Here you can see that A and A it will cut out, but still, okay, to avoid the confusion, you can go with directly with the height. As the height is clearly visible, so go with height and the same thing will come. Okay, right side is the same, density and density, that right portion will be the same. So students, this much, I hope all the confusion related to the maths numericals of flotation will clear, and thank you very much. God bless you all.